In this video, I'll teach you how to set up your Gmail account, which is what you need in order to start a YouTube channel. So this is the first part in our setting up your YouTube profile series. Definitely watch this all the way through so that you have your Gmail account set up before we dive right into the YouTube profile. Go to gmail.com. This is where you will get your email address that will be associated to your YouTube channel. The reason why we're doing this is because Google owns both Gmail and YouTube. In order to have a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. Click Create Account and then For Myself. I'm not sure what the other option does. This is just how I've set up my account. Then what you want to do is fill out this information here with all of your information. So your first and last name, what you'd like your Gmail account to be. So if you want it to say your business name at gmail.com, go ahead and choose it here. Then put in your password and then put your password in one more time so that it will verify. Next, you want to verify a phone number. Here I put in my cell phone address. Here I did put in my cell phone number, and then Google did text me a verification number that I received on my phone, and then put it into the verification section so that I could verify my cell phone number. And this will help. So if there's suspicious activity on your account, Google will go ahead and send you a text message saying someone tried to log in at this location, and it'll tell you what state they're from too. So you also have the option to have them call you. If you have a phone that does not receive text messages, definitely click call instead, and they will verbally give you the verification. Here you'll put in your recovery information. So if you lose the password to this email address, you can put in another email address that you own so that if it'll send you a verification email or any suspicious activity on the account. I believe it sends an email, don't quote me on that. Then you'll put in your birthday by month, day, and year, and then choose your gender. Here is where you can get more information for your number. You have the option to just skip. It is not important for setting up your YouTube channel. You can definitely set it up without these options. I didn't take the time to figure out what each one meant, but I did choose more options just to see what they would give me. And in choosing that, I chose to add my number just for security purposes and nothing else. So we will add that and then click next. Now are the privacy and terms. Definitely read through all of this before continuing on and click I agree if you agree. Yay, you did it, and you have these funny people waving at you. But you created your Gmail account, and that is the first step to creating your YouTube channel. So congrats. You have created that Gmail account that will take you into our next video for creating your YouTube channel.